What do you have?
Opening.
What is it? Where did you get it?
From Julia.
From Julia? No. Who did you get it from? I just told you. Who sent that to you in the mail?
Daddy.
That's right. What's it gonna be? This is a note. Can you read the note? Oh, note's blank. That's okay, I bet. So take that off. There. We can take the ribbon off. And then you can open the box.
It's cold.
A new friend for Isabella.
Yes, I have 2 Isabella.
You have 2 Isabellas. Are you so excited?
Open it.
Can you look at the camera and say, thank you, Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.